Hello everyone. Today we're going to look at the simple process of completing the square when you are given a quadratic function. So today we're going to look at, we're going to start with a very simple quadratic function. Suppose you have x squared plus 8x. How do you complete the square of this particular function? What you need to do is to divide the coefficient of x by 2. Then you put the square outside. So we're going to divide 8 by 2. Then we put the square outside. Minus, as a result of putting the square outside, we have created another function there that we need to get rid of. So we have created this function. So we need to square whatever we have divided by 2. So in the end, you end up with x plus 4 squared minus 4 squared. Then we continue, x plus 4 squared minus 16. Okay, by doing this, we have managed to complete the square. All right, then let's continue. Let's introduce a constant in a quadratic function. Suppose you have x squared minus 6x plus 10. All right, you basically follow the same process that we have done in the example above. You're going to have x minus 3, then we square there, minus the 3 squared. This you always subtract. Okay, it does not mean that when there's a minus there, this one is going to turn into a positive. We always subtract because we want to get rid of the 3 squared that we've created as a result of putting the squared outside the bracket, plus the 10. The 10 was already there. Then we have x minus 3 squared minus 9 plus 10. Okay, then we can rewrite the function. Okay, squared plus 1. Okay, by doing this, we have completed the square of a quadratic function that has the coefficient of x squared being 1. Okay, let's look at a different function. Okay, suppose you have 2x squared minus 16x plus 20. All right, we have that function. Okay, the first thing that you need to do is to factor out a 2. You factor out the 2 there so that we have x squared inside. So we're going to factor out, then we put square brackets. So we factor out a 2. You do not divide by 2, you factor out 2. Then here you'll be left to x squared minus 8x plus 10. We've managed to factor out. Then we have 2. Now we basically follow the same process that we have done in the previous slide. Minus 4 squared minus the 4 squared here that has been created by putting the square outside the bracket, plus 10. Okay, then we have 2x minus 4, then 4 squared, we agree that it's 16, plus 10. Then we have 2x minus 4 squared, then minus 16 plus 10, it's going to give us minus 6. Okay, then after doing this, we can put the 2 inside the square brackets. We have 2x minus 4 squared minus 12. Then we are done. This is the process of completing the square, looking at the quadratic function. Thank you.